1930.
1930.
I'm 358 eastbound over Old Brownsville Road. Can you start me another unit? I got two vehicles involved in a disturbance or racing or something like that.
Okay, good boy. I'm going to be in Patrol 1. I'll check.
Yeah, we're going to go into Patrol 3, so let me go over there.
Okay, good boy.
I'm 358 east over West Point at this point. I got two vehicles that are either racing or having a disturbance up here. One's a Dodge Charger, black in color. The other's a blue GMC pickup.
Charger and
Yeah, I'm headed towards your channel. That's why I'm over here. The Charger's going to be George Paul Sam 9310. And the Chevy pickup, I can't read the plate. The ball hitch is in the way. Right here, Carl. Right here.
The chance for moving disturbance eastbound, Old Brownsville. There'll be two vehicles, that Charger and the blue GMC pickup. Still continuing eastbound.
Yeah, I'm behind them right now. I'm gonna light up the Charger here in a little bit. 1940, I believe, is behind me.
Yeah, I'm right here with them.
The blue pickup's in front of the Charger, Carl.
As soon as you're by this white truck, I'll get around to it.
Okay. Here he is. This guy moved over for you.
We're going to line him up?
Yeah, it's important. $19.30 traffic. 358 east at the 286 interchange, I guess south. We got them both pulled over here at the same location. I got the Charger and 1940's got the pickup truck.